Okay, light seal replacement. You bought an old camera and it has bad light seals. Now what do? Well, if you want a permanent solution, you get yourself some felt paper, some sticky back. I got this off of this is kind of soft. I've seen people use harder stuff, but 1 millimeter. That's kind of scratchy. I should have probably went with the velvet. Is that beautiful? Is that velvet? It's a little softer. Maybe next time. But anyhow, like this, you'll see this Minolta here. As I open her up, this little strip over here is your light strip. This one's all nice and sticky and gooey, and actually all the foam is gone because they actually use foam and it'll be sticky. And then what I do that I learned on the old YouTubes, suicides I use cotton yarn mainstays. Anyway, there's a certain size, but you just put that in there like you're flossing your teeth, and that'll stay. And then I take a little pick, or you can take a little screwdriver or whatever, or just sometimes shutting the door will squeeze that in there. Then that's your permanent cotton light seal for there. Then you just cut you a new little piece here. Excuse me. Cut you a new little piece here. Like I'm going to cut one the same size before I remove all that. Then just take some rubbing alcohol and you can keep it in a little film container if it makes it a little easier. And I just dip that in with that and rub that on that until it's gone. And you may need to take a razor knife or another knife and scrape that off, and then you just stick that on, put your cotton seals on, shut that. We're ready to go take some pictures. And look at this beautiful 28mm lens. This camera here I've already done. I just did. These are awesome cameras too, by the way. Vivitar 220 SL. Often overrated. They're actually made by a different company. I already did that one. That one's got new light seals. Both these are ready to go take pictures with tomorrow. So good luck. God bless. Thanks for watching.